Welcome to Dearborn Restaurant Directory, featuring this wonderful restaurant and other neighborhood restaurants in the heart of Dearborn, Michigan. We're passionate about serving the community with exceptional restaurants and cuisines across the great city of Dearborn. Please take a minute to watch this video to learn more about today's amazing restaurant picks. Find them by clicking the link below. Check out the best deals of the day right here in the Dearborn Restaurant Directory. Thanks, and enjoy your meal.
With 40 years of culinary expertise handed down through generations, our chefs at Sheeba Restaurant are recognized pioneers in Yemeni cuisine. Each dish tells a story of tradition, meticulously prepared to bring out the rich and robust flavors that our visitors love. Indulge in our signature dishes such as the Lamb Haneeth, a tender, slow-roasted delight served over aromatic mandi or Zorbian rice, and the sizzling Fahsah, a meld of shredded lamb and mashed potatoes served piping hot in a traditional clay bowl. At Sheeba Restaurant, every meal is served with a dose of history and culture in an upscale, home-like setting designed to enhance your dining pleasure. Join us for an unforgettable journey through Yemen's culinary landscape, right here in the heart of your city.
Whether you're craving breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just looking for a warm and welcoming spot to spend time and have a coffee or tea, we invite you to visit this restaurant in Dearborn, Michigan. Come experience the taste of community and the best food you've ever tasted in your lifetime. Click the link below now, get your deal coupon today.